Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we started level 2. As you can see, we already have the interior exterior. We have railings here, and then we started with the storages or the cabinets, the walk-in closet as well. So now we're going to continue working on this. Um, we're going to insert or load the beds. So let's go back to the main menu and look for the furniture and then beds, and then we could just choose the bed box. Press open and then type in CM. Here we're just using double. So in this way, the double is just good enough. So I'm just checking which is the best place for it to be added. Most of the time, this one is the best because we could add in a study table right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add the bed right here, and then this one is this way. We could add in a study table here, and then entertainment in front. So we could just move it like that. We can even change this one to, instead of double, to a twin. So it depends on you. And then click it again, CS, and let's add in the queen size bed right here. So we just need to change it to queen size. Press escape. We forgot to add the annotate here. So what we could do is we could just click on this demolish line CS as well, and then we could just add a line there. So that's good enough. And then this one, 10 lines, we could just add 10 lines right here. So that's good enough. So we added a bed. Now we're gonna add the side table. I remember we added already that one on level 1. So we could use underlay and change it to level 1. I know it will be so actually we have it. But what we could do is we could add in the toilet, because I remember we have the toilet or the powder room below. We could click that, CS, and let's add in right here. So I'm gonna add it right here, and then the sink, I'm going to add it here as well. So CS as well. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change it back. So go here, underlay to none, to make it easier for us. What I forgot to add is another washroom here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this. So I'm just gonna delete this part for now, and I'm going to move this one right about here. This is something that I forgot to do. We're gonna leave it like that. and then we're gonna pull this. So delete this and pull this up like so. This is for the door here. So I'm just gonna move it up. So maybe I could align it here. AL. There we go. So we still have room here. So don't worry about that. What we need to worry about is the door here. We need to access that. So this is something that I forgot to do, but we could still. So let's delete this first. We could still fix this. We just need around 1300, which is just about enough. So I'm gonna close this off like that. So 1300 from here. And then we need to move this one all the way there. So let's unjoin that. We need to move this. This one, let's change this to twin. Let's put it right here. And let's move this one right here. The same one, CS here, is for the door. So we have the door now. As you can see, we still have enough room. And then here, let's add in another door, CS. This door is for the washroom. So we extended something here for the washroom. And then let's add in the sink here. Toilet here, CS. And then shower here. So we could add this one as a storage here. And then we could add this one as a closet. We could just trim this out. So trim this, and we could create a sliding door instead. So CS here. This is our closet here, and then CS here. Here we could add in the door, and we just make it smaller. Around 400 by 2000 is enough. We can add in the, so let's go to load family. We need to add the plumbing, architecture, and then the shower. So shower stand. So CM, let's load this. We can move this one back right here. And then the shower, we could edit type, duplicate. And then here we could change the depth to 800 And then here we could change this to 1300. Let's see. So we need to flip it, RO. So the shower is right here now, but we will need to make this shorter. So 1300 is supposed to be 1000 with the walls, or we could just measure this now. So from the inner wall to the inner wall, 1150. So let's change this to 1150. And then here we could just put this one as 750. Now we could just move this one like that. So we have our shower and another toilet right here. What we could do here now is we could make this as a space. So I'm gonna pull this back like so, and instead here we could have more enough or enough space. So I'm gonna pull this back. This one we could extend this and then move this one, delete this. We could share this storage. So I'm just deleting stuff like that now, and then CS this. We have a proper storage here and below here. Around 700, and then here as well, around 700 as well. Now the sliding door. So here, go to the sliding door, 2000. So 1200 by 2000. And then now we need to just add in the demolish line, two of them. Okay, that's perfect. And then we have enough room here. Even though we have only this one right here, we have enough room for this. Here, we're going to add in a tub. So insert load family. So instead of the shower, we're gonna add in a bathtub. So let's use this, open CS or CM, add it here, fixed it a little bit like that. We can maximize this space. We could add another one, CS. So double now. And then let's add in a line. So thin line, CS this. Add a line there to represent the top and here as well. Okay, that looks nice. Let's add in the side table. So insert load family. go back to the main. It will be furniture, table, side table, or nightstand. OK, and then CM, add it here on the side. Let's add it on here on the side, and here at both sides. Let's fix this one. So that's good. And here it's good enough. And then let's add in some lighting fixtures. So go back to main, look for lighting, architecture, and then internal. We have a table lamp, standard, CM, and then change the elevation around 700. Add it there, here, and also here. Oops. So everything is looking good. Load in the table. So go back here, furniture, table, and then desk. Overwrite existing CM. So it's basically already loaded. So click here. We need to look for it. This one is the desk. I'm just gonna add one for now. And we're gonna edit the size. So here I'm gonna edit that. Edit type, duplicate, and then the depth should be around 400 only, or that's too small, around 500. So we have 500 right here. We can move it there, and then let's add in a chair as well. Here, let's create similar, and we should edit this width. So CS, or after we create that similar, let's duplicate it again because this has a different width. So this one will be around 1400, just enough for this space. So this one is good enough. And then now what we could do is we could load in the chair for this. Insert, load family, go back here, furniture, seating, and let's look for the chair. So chair executive, CM, and let's add this like that. So let's add it like that as well. So it's looking good. I'm happy on the way it looks. So what we could do is we could add in the floor. So go back to architecture, click on floor. This, let's edit this, duplicate. This will be floor number 2 now. And I want to add in wood at the top. So wood, let's use one of this. Apply, OK, and then OK. Now I'm gonna pick this line, so from the inside only. Here I'm gonna choose this here, and then I'm gonna choose it here. Inside here, and then lastly over here. But now we need to trim this. I'm gonna trim here as well, and over here, trim this area, and then here, and then it looks good. We just need to click finish, and we have it. Let's look at it at 3D. So we have an opening there, and we already added the railing. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.